those little tickets. We're kind of just trying to get a feel from you, because we're in the middle of developing this plan. We've written a number of parts of it. We've written a number of sections, but they're not written in stone. They're typed, but they're not written in stone. So that if we're hearing different things from you, we're going to go back and then think about it and tweak about it. Does anybody need any more? Do you need more? They might need one. Oh no, we're good. We're good. So the other part, what we're asking you now in general is if you can support the plan. Do you think that this is the plan is an idea that you can see helping the community grow and change over the next 25 years? And if you do, you're going to put up green. If you're thinking there is just no way I can support this plan, then you put up a red. And then if you're thinking, maybe I've got a lot of things that I like, but there may be a few things that I want to change, then put up a yellow, and then we'll ask you more about your yellows. So, on the count of three, we're going to everybody put up your color. Green means I support, yellow means I can support, but I have a couple of concerns, and then red means do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm looking at the green, but I got one yellow. Okay. I'm glad to see that so many people think it's a good idea, a good plan. But let's talk about yellow. What would make it? What does the plan need to address to take you from yellow to green?
Right now?
Or you can just think of one thing. That'll be fine. Or I can give you my card and you can tell me. You can call me or email me if you'd like to do that. Okay. I can do that. Anybody else want to add in anything that Usually it's also, usually a copy or two are also put in the public library and or at City Hall. So looks like we're gonna be, and that's gonna be in October. Then the next part of it is in November. Any plan like this, you have to do this environmental impact report. The environmental impact report says, if this plan is implemented, what's that gonna do to the environment? And it looks at all sorts of issues. Looks at population and housing and water and traffic and all of these different things. It looks at all of it and evaluates the plan's impact on Adelanto today. And that's called an EIR, Environmental Impact Report. That document is anticipated to be released in November. When it is released in November, you will have 90 days, or anybody, state agencies, people, everyday people, will have the opportunity to read it and submit comments or ask questions in writing or an email or whatever. And so that would be in probably December and January. And then we look into January and February, we go to public hearings. And that means we go to the Planning Commission first and say, this is the proposed plan. Here's the environmental document that says the pluses and the minuses of this plan and its impacts. And then then the Planning Commission will start to have discussions about whether or not they want to recommend adoption or recommend changes. And then after we get through with them, then you go on to the City Council where they take everybody's recommendation and actually make a decision. We're scheduling that we would think that needs to occur by March. So that's kind of the next steps. So really the next information that you're probably receiving from us or from this organization of us is a notification that the draft plan is available for you to review and read if you'd like. And that's it. And I thank you very much for coming and participating and letting us know. Yes, ma'am.
Did you say that there was going to be a hospital in Adelanto, anything like that?
We did not, although it's part of in our land use planning, we certainly talk about that there's areas that will allow for a hospital to be built as well as medical, because we also know that you guys in the past have said you would like to have medical facilities in town.
A hospital, yeah.
So we have in the town center as well as some of the other areas would allow for a hospital to be built.
Can I rephrase myself a little quick?
Yeah.
I'm with the San Bernardino County Government Medical Department. Right now, remember Dr. Mike clinic was on Barnett? That's closed. They put, well, the county of San Bernardino stepping in and they couldn't be open now. It's for everybody.
I need a hospital.
I know, but temporary, that, people can start going.